So this is the VIZIO model D24h-J09. At the back of this VIZIO TV is the USB slot. So if you wonder how it works, I've already have one video on this, but I have an update for this. So this is the external hard drive that I have. And see, basically it's just that USB connection there. So you connect that. This TV, I did not turn it on. I had the power unplugged, but I did not turn it on. But as I plug the USB, it automatically read the USB drive, the hard drive from the USB slot. So basically, if you have files there, photos, videos, and music that is compatible to be played with, it's gonna come up on your TV right away. So the contents I have there is not compatible, so you're not gonna see it, but basically you'll see video folder, music folder, and photo folder. So it's like viewing it in your computer, but this time in your TV, but you're gonna use the remote. So here are the options that comes up when you click each one of them. So again, if your photos and videos and music is compatible to be played with, you will have the option to play it. That's the hard drive that I have. So I'm going to show you if it does not come up right away on the screen, you do have to go to use your remote and click the input and choose USB. It will have a check mark, so you won't have to worry about it. So you will have a check mark, USB, and then again go back to the contents of the USB. You are able to see the folders. So very simple. So it's just like plug and play. So you plug in the USB, it will show up the folders. If not, then just click input and it will show up.